Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do my palette roundup. We're going to go over the eyeshadow palettes I have used recently. I don't have a set time frame for these. When I get a stack, I stack them up as I use them when I get a stack, and I think, well, I've got enough here to talk about. Then we'll go over them and then go back into my collection. So that's where we're at today. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have nine eyeshadow palettes today, and yeah, I have them in order. I'm ranking them. I will do my least favorite up to my favorite of the stack. That's of just this stack. These are not my all-time favorites, just rating the ones I've used recently. So, and I do have a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think I recently acquired from friends. So if you want to go and check out my videos, I have a video where my friend Clara sent me some makeup and skincare and hair care, beauty. Clara sent me a box of goodies and Aidan sent me a box of goodies. Both their channels are linked down below. And yeah, if you want to see those videos, I'll try to add those at the end of this video. Now, let's begin. My least favorite of this group, not saying it's my least favorite, just of this group, is this Viseart Petite Pro. This is the Petite Pro 3. And it is so cute. There's the mirror. I'll show you the colors. The only reason, mainly, I do like this color story. We're going to try to keep it in focus. The main reason it's at the bottom is the shimmers aren't as shimmery as other palettes. I love a good shimmer. That's how I am. That's just how I am. I love a good shimmer. These are pretty. I do love the colors. I think this is a beautiful color story. Let's see if we can get it in focus again for you. There we go. It is a beautiful color story, and I did enjoy this palette. Like I said, none of these are bad. None of these I would declutter. I'm not decluttering anyway, but this will not go into making ornaments or crafting. This will stay in my stash. Just in this grouping, it was my least favorite, but there we go. That's number 9. Number 8 is the Alamar Reina del Caribe palette. This is the first one. I think I decluttered the second one. I had part 2, and then I never picked up anything else from her. It's a beautiful color story. I do really love these colors. These colors together really speak to me. That's why I still own this. They perform great. I have no problem with these. Just in this group, this is just where this palette falls. Like I said, none of these are bad. The shimmers perform great on this. There are some that are better in other palettes, but yeah, not bad at all. That comes in at number 8 right now. Number 7, Sigma Beachy palette. I really like these colors together. Let's see if we can get it in focus. There we go. Let me hold it up, the right side up if you want to read it. There we go. These are really beautiful colors. I love the hints of blue with the neutral browns. It definitely reminds me not of a tropical seaside. Let's get in focus. Not a tropical seaside, but maybe more of a northeastern, like a New England seaside, or even maybe the coast of Washington and Oregon. That's the kind of vibe I get from this. So there we go. That's 7. 987. Number 6 was a special one I received from my friend Aidan. It's the Nomad. It's the Lake Como. What is this? Yeah, Lake Como is what it says on the back. Lake Como palette. And here we are. I was excited for this one, and it did not disappoint. I was, let's say I had my expectations a bit lower because I know this is an older palette, and when I started purchasing a Nomad, they had newer formulations, and This one though performed great. I didn't have any issues. I thought the mattes were very pigmented. I thought the shimmers were more shimmery than I was expecting. I did enjoy them. I love the color story. It is so nice. I would say when I look at this, I think of Lake Como. I definitely get that from this. And I'm excited to play with this one some more. So this one was 6. I can't remember. 9, 8, 7, 6. Number 5. Wander Beauty. This is the Trailblazer palette. And here we go. I love the color story on this. I know some people are not, but I am a fan of Wander Beauty shimmers. I use my finger to apply shimmers. I do use a brush every now and then, but more often than not, I use my finger. And I think using the finger really melts those shimmers together to put on my eye. I love this color story. I think this color story is gorgeous. I'm a huge fan of this, and it's just I've got some I like a little better than this one, but it's a really good palette. Next, these next two could be interchangeable. I don't think I liked one any more than the other, but I did like them both. This is the Naked 3 palette. A different subscriber sent me this. Oh my goodness, I don't know how long ago it was. It's been a while. I've had it a while. I don't use it enough. I do have it on today though. Here are the shades. And I love these pinks, these mauve tones. I love them very much. And so I did enjoy this palette. It's still performing great. So Naked 3. But now also kind of on the same vein, I've got Naked Heat. This one Aidan sent me. I was excited to get this one as well. I was really looking forward to this one. Here is what it looks like. If you don't remember, let me get my mirror up. There we go. Focusing well. I did enjoy using this. I wanted to purchase it when it first came out, but I didn't because of the Tarte Toasted palette, the Tartelette Toasted. I felt like I did need both, but when Aidan offered me this one, I'm like, yeah, because it was on a wish list of mine. And the only reason, like I said, I didn't buy it is because I had the other one. But if you're going to give it to me, then yeah, I would love to have it. And I did enjoy using it. So, like I said, this is the number 3 position. It could go either way. I like them just as much. So, number 2. My Too Faced Papaya Pop palette. I am so shocked how well I love these Too Faced palettes. I have another one of these. I just haven't used it in this time frame. But here is the Papaya Pop. It's very shimmery, so I don't know how it's going to affect our lighting. There we go. I love this color story. It would have looked great with what I'm wearing today, but I used a different palette today. I love these colors. I love this shimmer. I love the mattes and the shimmers in this palette. Let's see. I think it used to smell. I don't smell it now though. But there we go. And it's performing great. I still really like this. And my number 1 in this group, and it's one of my top favorite palettes. And I find that kind of unusual that it's one of my top favorite palettes. And it's my Too Faced Sparkling Pineapple. Yeah, Sparkling Pineapple palette. It's in the same grouping. I bought them at the same time. And this is what it looks like. And I don't know why, all these colors, this color story really speaks to me. And I enjoy the eye looks I get from this. I don't get a lot of different eye looks. I get like mainly the same eye look. But I love it. And I love this duochrome. I mean, it's starting to show some age, especially this duochrome. Let's see. I don't know if you can tell. It's green with a red. It's red underneath. A red base. A green with a red base. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. And it's one of the early duochromes for me before I got into like indie makeup. But I don't know, I love this palette. I love the colors. And it reminds me of a pineapple. That definitely says pineapple to me. And it ranks #1 in this group of palettes I recently used. So that's my ranking. I enjoyed using every one of them. I wouldn't declutter any of them. I like them all, just I like some a little more than others. And that's just how it is, just pure preference. Nothing, just, I wish Busy Art shimmers were a little more exciting than they are. I know why they're really not. They're geared to more, I don't, what adjective should I use? Sophisticated lady? Someone who's really not into using a whole lot of colorful eyeshadow. That's not Busy Art's clientele. But I did enjoy using that palette. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Do you own any of these palettes? Do you have thoughts on any of these palettes? I'd love to hear. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So guys, again, thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see y'all next time.